To start, you're going to cut out your rainbow shape. Make sure that your painting is completely dry before you cut it out. So I'm cutting around the top part near the red edge. And then I'm going to cut out the small shape in the middle near where we outlined with pink. Yours might be a slightly different shape than mine, and that's okay. We're all different artists. Now I'm done cutting out my rainbow so I can work on my clouds. You will have a paper with 2 cloud shapes on it. Our first job is to cut out our cloud shapes. So I'm going to follow the line on my paper and cut out both cloud shapes separately. I'm using my other hand to help me turn my paper as I cut. And if I don't cut exactly on the line, that's okay. I can just make up the curves as I go and try my best to follow them. Now I've cut out my cloud shapes. My next job is to add a little bit of color and a fun cartoon face to my clouds. So we're going to use a blue oil pastel to add a little bit of color to the edges of our clouds. Notice when I'm coloring with my blue oil pastel, I am pinching it with my thumb and my pointer finger. I'm not coloring with it on the tip of the oil pastel, but I'm using the side so that I get a lighter and softer color. And I'm just rubbing it along the edge of my cloud shape. You can also lightly put a little bit in the middle. I'm just barely pressing down here with my oil pastel. I'm going to do that to both cloud shapes. So just rub it around the edge of your cloud shape. And then lightly in the middle. Now I need a black crayon so I can draw faces on my clouds. Here are some face ideas. We want our clouds to show happy feelings, so we're going to put some kind of smile on them. No angry or sad clouds here, because rainbows make us feel happy and positive. When you use your crayon, you can just color right on top of the oil pastel. If you don't press hard enough, it could look a little bit light, like this. So try to press down hard on your crayon so you get a dark black color out of it. You can make each cloud have a different face. So this one is going to be with closed eyes, and this one has open eyes. It's up to you. You are the artist here. And this one will have a side smile. Now I'm done with my cloud shapes, and my last step here is to glue the clouds to the rainbow. We're going to use white liquid glue for this. Remember, for these bottles, to open them, you need to twist the orange cap. When you see a white dot there, that means that the glue bottle is closed. We can feel it with our finger. We need to twist it to open it. And then I see a little bit of glue coming out. Then you can turn the bottle over and shake it a little bit to move the glue down towards the bottom near the orange tip. Then we're going to turn our clouds over, and we're going to put a little bit of glue where we want the clouds to be. Then I can set it down on my rainbow, and I'm going to do the same thing to the other cloud. Notice that I'm not putting glue all over because I know I'm just going to glue this side to my rainbow. And then we can count to about 20, holding our hands over our clouds so that the glue has some time to dry. Once your clouds are staying in place, then you can go ahead and put this on the drying rack to dry. I hope you had fun making your line rainbow with cartoon clouds.